There is new information involving Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, and it's about his impeachment case. Fox 7 Austin's chief political reporter Rudy Koski joining us from the newsroom with more. Rudy.
Yeah, Mike, all kind of connected, right? These developments, in a way, may signal double trouble for the embattled Attorney General. Now, this morning, federal authorities announced new charges against Nate Paul. He is one of Ken Paxton's political donors and was a key figure in the Attorney General's impeachment trial. New wire fraud charges were added to the bank fraud indictment against Paul. That case is part of the accusations of misuse of office by Paxton made by whistleblowers, which brought about his impeachment by the Texas House. Now, Paxton allegedly wanted his staff to help Paul fend off the federal investigation. The Attorney General was later acquitted on a party line vote in the Texas Senate. The whistleblower lawsuit, however, that's still going on. We learned this week that Paxton got a judge in Burnett County to issue a restraining order in that case, which is being tried here in Austin. The Burnett County judge temporarily blocked an attempt by the whistleblowers to get Paxton to give a deposition. I spoke to Dallas constitutional law attorney David Cole about how these separate cases are tangled together.
This is kind of the first wave of probably several of these things that we're going to see as these balls all start moving on all these fronts now that these courts are waking up after the stay set by the impeachment case.
With the superseding indictment with Nate Paul, is it just simply that, all right, we're just piling on, or is this a case of turning the screws and maybe trying to get him to flip on Paxton?
You can read it both ways, frankly. Could be if they've come back and hitting it hard to kind of start this next act of the proceedings, saying, no, we really mean it. Here's new things we found and new claims need to be dealt with before we move forward. So there's a little bit of both going on there. Nate Paul's got to think to himself, I wonder what's next. If this is what came out in November, what's coming in December and January and February that I'm going to have to worry about.
This move by Paxton to get a Burnett County judge to do a restraining order against the whistleblowers and a lawsuit that's in a completely different court. Is this judge shopping? And, you know, is this a Hail Mary?
Well, it's definitely a creative procedural move. I mean, what he's done is he said the settlement agreement that caused all the trouble and led to the impeachment in the first place is, I think, still binding. And so that means they can't move forward the way they want to in Austin. I'm entitled to file this whole new separate lawsuit to enforce that settlement agreement. I don't think that's going to get very far. And so if Mr. Paxton is viewing a victory here as putting off having to give a deposition until maybe some other matters get resolved, it's a win because he's bought himself some time and potentially a fair bit of time in comparison to all the other things he has going on.
Yeah, buying some time. Now, Paul's federal trial is not expected to take place until later next year. A hearing in Paxton's Burnett County restraining order request, well, that's set for later this month.